A lot of people worry that they don't have enough tools to work on lanterns, so today we're going to look at 10 different ways you can get the valve out of the fount with no tools at all. Up first, and this one doesn't really count, is the vise. Maybe you don't have a vise. What then? Do you have some stairs? How about a 2x4? This took some creative balancing, but it wasn't terribly hard. No stairs? Maybe you've got an old computer hanging around. Turns out that the card slot openings are just the right size for this 200A valve. Our house has a couple of these old radiators that are just perfect for this job. Careful, don't do this while the radiator is hot. Outside the house, we've got this railing. Hey, look at that, perfect fit. This cherry tree is mostly dead and should probably be cut down. There's one more thing it can do before it goes. I know this one's a little weird, but this grooming machine has been in my yard for a while now, and the rollers on the winch look like they were made for the job. Not everybody has a grooming machine, but most everybody has a door. This one is the perfect height. Something a little more portable? How about a floor jack? I make videos, so of course I have an extra tripod. Don't use the aluminum part of the tripod, it'll bend. Finally, a pallet. I see these for free all over the place. The gap here is a little too big, but it's easy enough to break off a piece to fill it. So there you are. I hope this silly little video has helped you realize how easy it is to get started working on lanterns, even if you don't have special tools.